Later. Hello.
Hi there, guys.
Hello. What's up, YouTube? So we in Pretoria now by a coffee roasting company. That machine is gonna turn this. Okay, wait, hold up. There's like no context behind this story. Let me just tune you a little bit here because I am a bit dark. There we go, beautiful. There's no context behind this video while I'm editing it. I've realized so. So we went to these people. They're a company in Pretoria, actually a close friend with him, Chris, that owns the Best Mate team, the team my dad races for, and he invited us to see the process that coffee goes through when roasting it. He's got many technical things behind it. It's not just boom, roasting coffee. It's very specific. That can make or break your coffee. So I'm not 100% sure how it works after I'm gone there, but I just know that I've got a packet of happiness with me. And if you more or less want to see what happened, stay tuned for this video. If you're not keen, you don't have to watch, but this video sort of shows more or less what happened at the roasting, and then afterwards I'll just tell you more a bit about what to expect from me for upcoming videos and upcoming trips. So enjoy the video. Sorry, cheers. Into happiness. So not 100% sure what's gonna happen here, but stay tuned.
I'ma light the shit up. Light the shit up.
Okay, so at the end of that night, I came home with this, a packet of coffee. So I'm not very familiar with the brand, so I don't know how the coffee tastes. I haven't had the coffee yet, but it says 100% Arabic. If you can smell it, it smells absolutely amazing. I can ask the guys at Vida to make this for me. I don't know how cool they'll be about it, but if I can, I'll try and taste this. Even, I don't know, I'll just try. But yeah, for me that was just like an experimental video, something to get the channel going again, because I have been quiet for a while. But expect coming vlogs about traveling again, going to Morocco. Super keen on that, super excited, can't wait. I leave in about 5 days time, 4 days time I think. So super keen on racing African Games there. I'll pull out a few vlogs there because I'm there for about 10 days I think. So expect those vlogs to come. But for now, thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, subscribe. I can do it with some support. Let's try and get to 500. That will be the next beacon. So yeah, let's get to 500. Cheers. Thanks a lot for watching.
In action and progressing, I go off on the enemy. That's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendencies. I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till